Here are 3 secrets to help improve your credit. 35% of your credit score is from your payment history. Secret number 1, pay on time. Hi everyone, it's Mary Kay Wright with the Wright Choice from At Properties. Now let's get into secret number 2. 30% of your credit score is based on the capacity of credit used. For example, if you have a credit limit of $5,000, you only want to use 30% of the capacity of that credit limit. In other words, you only want to use $1,500 and keep $3,500 unused. That will help improve your credit score as well. So here's a tip. If you have one credit card with a $10,000 balance and another credit card with a lower balance, transfer some of the debt from one credit card to the other so the capacity used is as close to that 30% benchmark as possible. Secret number 3, 10% of credit score is based on inquiries and past applications. So keep that in mind. 75% of your total credit score is based on payment history, capacity of credit used, inquiries, and past applications. So pay your bills on time, make sure not to max out your credit cards, and keep a 30% balance or lower. Don't get too many inquiries, and that alone will dramatically maximize your credit score. For more detailed information about how to improve your credit score so you can get a better interest rate and save money, please reach out to me at any time. Click the link below for my details. And as always, thanks again. Have a great day.